Hi everybody, hope you all well. Welcome to another episode of Kitchen Stories by Oindrila. And of course it's summertime now and summers का मतलब एक ही चीज होता है, mangoes. So we are going to create a really nice recipes using mangoes. And let's not forget that Eid is also right around the corner. So I thought why not mix the two and come up with something absolutely scrumptious. So are you guys ready to see what we're going to do today? Let's get started. So आज हम लोग बनाने वाले हैं mango sheer khurma, one of the most traditional desserts eaten at Eid. उसके लिए first thing we'll do is we'll take 2 tablespoons of ghee and I'm going to put this here. मेरा घी थोड़ा सा गर्म हो चुका है, it's heated up, and in that I'm adding mixed chopped dry fruits. And I'll saute. इसमें I've used almonds, I've used cashews, and I've used pista. And I'm going to go in and add 2 tablespoons of sultanas, golden raisins. Stir this as well. And इसके अंदर मैं डालने वाली हूँ another 8 to 9 chopped and pitted dates, Khajur. This is where the name comes from, Sheer Khurma. Sheer meaning kheer in Persian and Khurma meaning dates, which is our Khajur. And it smells absolutely incredible, I can tell you. And my dry fruits have been nicely roasted in the oil and I'm going to remove them. फिर से इसी कढ़ाई में, taking this कढ़ाई itself, I'm just adding just another half teaspoon of ghee. And in this, I'm going to go in and add my sevai. Nicely roasted. I can see that the sevais have started getting golden in color. So I have to keep on stirring. Make sure you don't take your eyes off it. And the sevais are nicely toasted. I'm not going to toast it anymore because it's going to burn after this. They're nice and golden brown. See the color? It's absolutely gorgeous. And now in this, I'm going to add in 500 ml of milk. And give this a good stir. I'm cooking this on low medium heat. It's just going to simmer away. And I'm going to continuously stir it so that the sevais don't get stuck to each other and clump up. And into this milk, for added richness, I'm adding in 100 grams of fresh cream. This will make our sevai even more luscious and more delicious. And अब इसके अंदर I'm putting in another 2 tablespoons of Khoya or mawa. It's going to make it even richer. So cream and then milk and then Khoya, all of it together is absolutely going to be spectacular. And we're just going to wait for the milk to come to boil. And I've used full fat milk, which is going to give a nice creamy texture. So if you're a little more health conscious, you can actually leave out the cream. But I prefer my sheer khurma to be really rich. So I have definitely added it. I can see that the milk is thickening up and the sevai also doesn't seem to be clumping. So that's excellent. And I'm going to let this cook for 5 to 7 minutes before I add in the rest of the ingredients. I can see that my khurma is getting ready, the sheer. It's thickened up quite a lot. It's been 5-7 minutes. And now I'm going to add in the rest of the ingredients. I'm adding in kesar. I've just taken a pinch of kesar in a tablespoon of milk. It's going to give a beautiful color and flavor. And I'm going to add in the dry fruits which we had earlier roasted. Okay. It's going to impart its own flavors to this sheer khurma. Wow, it smells amazing right now over here. I'm adding in half a teaspoon of rosewater and around half a teaspoon of elaichi, cardamom powder. I'm again telling you I'm cooking this on low-medium heat. I'm just going to let all these flavors come together. And see, I'm going to control the sweetness a lot because you know the dates in this are quite sweet. It will impart a sweetness to the sheer khurma by itself. And of course, we're going to be adding in mango also, which is also sweet. So if you want at this stage, we can add a little bit of sugar, like a tablespoon or two. So I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of sugar over here, just for that little bit of sweetness. And that's it. Just cooking it for 2-3 minutes more. It's beautiful and creamy. Look at this. Wow. Wow, my khurma is almost ready and I have put the gas off. Just waiting for it to cool just a little bit. And now in this I'm going to add in beautiful mango pulp. Fresh mango pulp. First I'm using around half a cup and then if required I'll add in the rest. Just gonna add something so extra. And my mango sheer khurma is ready. Now all I need to do is I just need to make it look beautiful, add in some fresh pieces of mango and chill it because that's how I like it. And the sheer khurma is ready and we're going to garnish with some beautiful dry fruits. And rose petals. Guys, this is tasting so nice. I'm in love with this mango sheer khurma because you know you have the mango flavors which is like the most strongest and it's tying in so beautifully with the hint of rose, a little bit of cardamom and a little bit of kesar. It's absolutely spectacular. So definitely give this a try this Eid. And guys, of course, don't forget to share, like and follow this channel and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified of any new video. Till the next time, this is me, Oindrila, and I'm going to go and enjoy my mango sheer khurma. Bye-bye.